Team Sportswear. In the modern world, the quality of sportswear being changed with new technologies, machineries, new gen ideas, design and warm colors. We are one of the first customized printing manufacturers in Kerala. We emphasize the quality of raw materials, perfect stitching with imported machineries, world-class designs as per your choices. Body-friendly, non-allergic synthetic and cotton materials provide you extra comfort and fitness. We have 23 years of experience in sportswear industry and giving better quality products. Our cloth knitting factories at Ludhiana, Punjab and Tirupur, Tamil Nadu customizes the designs as per the orders. The effort of experienced designers takes you to a new world of astonishing designs and number of color shades, various collar and neck models. Continuous tone output technology that produces photo lab quality pictures and fabrics. The hottest printing enables any design, any color, photos, drawings. Advanced digital and sophisticated printing for next generation in cool fit fabrics with versatility, durability and lightweight comfort like mercerized cotton and still be calm and cool. Energetic and dynamic models are behind our quality. Technology, innovation, quality are the backbone of Team Sportswear.
നല്ല നിലവാരം പുലർത്തുന്ന പ്രൊഡക്ട്സാണ് ഈ ടീം സ്പോർട്സ് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്നും തരാറുള്ളത്. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ വളരെ പ്രോംപ്റ്റായിട്ട് അവർ ചെയ്ത് ഡെലിവറി തരാറുണ്ട്. അതും വളരെ പ്രധാനമാണ്. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ നമ്മൾ ആവശ്യപ്പെടുന്ന ഡിസൈനിൽ തന്നെ ഏറ്റവും പെർഫെക്റ്റ് ഫിറ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള രീതിയിൽ ഡ്രസ്സ് ചെയ്തു തരുന്നതിന്, ഡ്രസ്സുകൾ പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്ത് തരുന്നതിന് അവർ വളരെ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കാറുണ്ട്. കാരണം ഒരു കളിക്കാരൻ്റെ പെർഫോമൻസിനെ സംബന്ധിച്ചോളം തന്നെ ഏറ്റവും അവനവന് ഇണങ്ങുന്ന ഡ്രസ്സ് ധരിച്ചാൽ തന്നെ അതിൻ്റെ ഒരു കോൺഫിഡൻസ് ലെവലും അതുമാതിരി തന്നെ പെർഫോമൻസ് ലെവലും ഒക്കെ വളരെ കൂടും.
Our highlights: mechanized prototype cutting, stitching and finishing with digital embroidery. Designs, print and supply corporate handouts with that Midas touch at its Noel, craft and artistic best.
20 years I am associated with the Team Sportswear Zangamali. It's really wonderful to see them working. It's a highly professionalism and astonishingly better quality every time we deal with them.
Team Sportswear has been in the apparels business since 1996, starting with the manufacture of sportswear. At present, we manufacture and distribute jerseys, tracksuits, school mass PT uniforms, thermal wears, innerwears, corporate t-shirts, promotional garments, caps, socks, belts, ties, aprons, hospital and lab coats, health club costumes, dance, karate dresses, etc. We offer apparel made in our own manufacturing plant with the highest quality material and highly skilled workmanship, manufactured in highest quality imported machinery. We have in-house facilities for embroidery and sublimation printing. The production centers of Team's group firms include Ice Fashions, Tirupur and Sprint Exports at Cochin and at Bangalore and Ludhiana. More than 250 employees are working in our different firms and we deliver goods as committed on time. Welcome to the world of sportswear. We are holding confidence, power, speed and comfort. Team Sportswear.